Bori abakenya banyare gwecokia sobonge kigima kugendera kubeka mate yayo musikira Raila Odinga ase amasabo naboigo nekirabori na abarai bonsi bari ase birogo au imeyensi ya Kenya nabarabo banyare kubekwa ase amasabo musike Fred Matiang'i niganyara koyakwa naiga ase chinsemo sekoro ase kanisa ya Adventista ya Milimani kutoka meya Oyugis county ya Homa Bay ritukoria rero kiranyara goshiriki nabo bwatani be kanisa yo naboigo kuborana amasabo naro area yengencho anamuna ase chinga kiechiga.
And we pray. I want to plead with you, my brothers and sisters, that we hold special prayers for Mama Ida and the family, that the Lord comforts them, keeps them together during this tough time. The second group I would like us to pray for are the elected leaders of this region. Very fortunately and blessedly, Mzee Baba grew up strong leaders. All our 6 governors in this region were elected on the Azimio ticket. Some of them are very solid and consummate politicians and leaders. Professor Nyongo, Governor Orengo, your own governor here, my sister Gladys Wanga, and all these people. The senators who are here, the 6 senators from this region, including Senator Nyonka who's here, and your own senator here, Kajwang. Again, group of leaders that Mzee has mentored. For someone who worked so hard to grow leaders, such as Baba did, it will be unspeakable shame if all these wonderful people are not able to come together and move this region forward. I have no doubt in my mind. I have faith and I trust the Lord will strengthen the hands of these brothers and sisters in elective positions. All of them, all our governors, all our senators, all our members of parliament, all our women reps in this region, and all our members of parliament. So that as a great tribute and honor to Baba, they stick together, keep this region together, so that we work together. I had the privilege of now working closely with Baba after the handshake with President Kenyatta. And all the time, even after we left the government, we all consulted Baba on a number of things. I know, and it's good to say this thing here, while I'm in Homa Bay, Mzee had a way of keeping people together. He had an acquired way of consulting and reaching out to people. Even when there was something, he had a way. Even when we had something, we would go to him quietly. Mzee never spoke about things before. He managed them quietly and spoke about them quietly with people. And all of us, whether you are from Kisii or Nyamira or Homa Bay here or Kisumu, Mzee took all of us as his children. With that attitude and that way of keeping us together as a family, now is the time for us to pay the ultimate tribute to him by remaining together as family, because that is what he wanted. He had numerous friends in Kisii, numerous friends in Nyamira. There are many, many homes that Baba would go to and spend even a night. I have had meals before with him in homes, in places. There are even people he would introduce me to. Some of them I thought I knew. Then he introduces me to people and their generations behind and the families and so on and so forth. As a way of respecting Mzee, we pray for our leaders and support them, support our governors, our senators, our members of parliament, our women reps, and work with them as they come together and we build now a new reality and start living post Mzee. Those of us who will work with them, we pledge that we will continue to make our small contribution in keeping the unity and keeping the warmth together. And please pray for our unity. Pray for our togetherness. The Lord wants us to live together and to be a family. We derive meaning from being together, not by being apart.